That didn't go how I thought it was going to go. My word. Look. So I need to rinse this out because that is not good. So good night everyone again. Today's a busy day. So the last time I colored my hair was in March, and I got some growth. Tonight I want to try to put color back in. Since my hair is not disliking it and I have a lot of it, I'm going to put some coconut oil. I concentrate the coconut oil on the sections where I have the color where it's already bleached. Make sure and saturate that really well because I do not want to over process those sections. Besides doing this, I make sure I go in on my scalp and I put petroleum jelly. I go through with a wide tooth comb and try to cover my scalp as much as possible to avoid over processing. Mixing bowl, mixer. I have a brush. I might more use that for the front here just to be precise. For that one part, I'm going to add 2 parts cream. The same amount. Oops. Gloves. And I really love these gloves because they have these textured pieces. When you're washing the hair, it just feels so good. I mix the powder and the bleach, the peroxide together, and it is quite grainy, so I just keep mixing until it no longer feels as though there is sand to the bottom. I'm just going to start from the front of my hair, then do the back as well, the full perimeter, because I find that it doesn't really process as fast, especially the back of my hair. The middle of my head tends to process very quickly, the roots, and I think it is due to the fact that it's the heat from in my head that helps the process to go along faster. This is why I did it like this. And the back of my hair is quite stubborn. Even though I did it this way, it didn't really process, so the next time I would definitely start to the back of my head. The brush comes in really handy to put it on so that I do not take a big glove and put it on my hairline, and I always go in with my fingers using the gloves to press it through and make sure everything is well saturated. The best way I would say, like, for me to do this to make sure I really get my roots, I would really have to put way more product and make sure everything is quite saturated and leave it to process for a way longer period. But I want to have the different shades where one section is a bit brown and one is like a little more blonde, like the 27 color, and next section more 30, so that I have that nice mixture and just not one flat plain color. I saw this girl on Instagram, I don't remember her name. If I find her picture, I'll pop it in or put her in the description, but I think she does the same thing and it looks so cute and I just love it. This is what my head is looking like. Some area, while I was doing the front, I was like, oh, it goes down to my roots naturally, so I try not to do it in the middle, but still I have sections, they just, I need to detangle, they just take faster and other sections not. So right now what I will do, I think the back of my hair, it doesn't take as fast for some funny reason, so I should have started to the back, but I didn't realize that. But I already tried to do the back last week. And the front of my hair here, these hair don't really grow fast, like they don't want to grow anymore. So I think I would do like crochet and protective styling from October to maybe March to see if I could grow it out, because I had the same problem to the back of my head last year. That was before I put color, and it didn't grow until I did protective styling for quite a few months. So I'm going to try that again, and right now I'm going to just attach the back of my hair so that the heat locks in and process the middle faster. And I'm going to try to wash out this. You see it touching my scalp? Oh, yeah, touching my scalp. My word. Look, 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 look. Oh! Yes, I need to rinse this out because that is not good. So listen, that didn't go how I thought it was going to go because it wasn't coming out. I was washing it out in the sink and it just was not budging. It's like the hair was clear but the roots was just white, and it just keep getting clearer and clearer and clearer. So no biggie. For sure when I see this spot is no longer blonde, I will know for sure how much growth I have in that area. I use a kiddie shampoo to wash off my hair earlier. Anyway, it's lurid, so fat should wash out anything, right? Didn't do what I wanted to do with my hair. I actually wanted to add vinegar to the shampoo. Skip that. I actually did go ahead and do it for the second wash with the apple cider vinegar in the shampoo rinse, and it was disastrous, but we will talk about that in another video. Just don't do it. Mix, and usually I mix with water so that I make sure I get my scalp, but I didn't have time. I just went in with the shampoo on my hair, just praying to God I get everything out. I'm going a second time with shampoo just to be sure, because right about now I think my roots in certain places still turning. Like it look more orange on the camera, and not that orange. Whoa, this is crunchy. This is crunchy even for me. My word. They look cute though, like just like this. My hair actually look neat for the fact that I just wash it and have nothing in it.